All right, so our new Toyota Tacoma long travel kit that we're doing, we have these double shear plates here, and those are gonna double shear the hind pivots of the new upper arm. We got the upper slapper bump stop bracket also put in there, which incorporates double shearing that bolt. So now that bolt's not just working off the middle here, it's actually holding the outside of the bolt here and here. This is for the slapper arm. So if you guys check out our Ford Raptor suspension system, we're doing that for the Toyota Tacoma, and we're solving a couple things. One of it is we're 2 inches wider per side, working with the coilovers you already own. So this is kind of more of a mid-travel, long travel, or what we call our Trail Series long travel system. Perfect for overland and off-road and whatnot. We're pushing the lower ball joint and the suspension forward, and that's gonna give more tire clearance at the back here. So these are the new lower control arms here. We're using our new X-joint ball joints. They have billet aluminum upper control arms. These are the arms we took off right here. I'll put it on top here so you can see the difference in the length. And as you can see how much longer these arms are. So the upper arms are longer and the lower arms are longer. We get a lot of questions from people that don't understand long travel, and they always ask, can I buy just the lower arms to have long travel? Well, the answer is no, because both arms have to equally be lengthened. Otherwise you'll have huge camber issues. So if you make the lower arm longer, the bottom of your tire will be sticking out 2 inches further than the upper arm. So anyways, hence why upper and lower arms are both about 2 inches longer. We got the billet cups, the X-joint ball joints, got the bump stop pad, 1 inch uniball inner pivot, so there's no bushings down there. So when you align these trucks and say you push the front pivot out and the back pivot in, these spacers here pivot, which stays perfectly flat. So the spacers are perfectly flat in the frame, and the cup would pivot. So basically this stays straight and the arm's gonna pivot around that as you push one out and pull one in. That's why we never use bushings on these lower arms. This is the billet aluminum slapper here with the rubber pad. That's gonna pivot off the lower control arm here. So those go here and then sit up like that. So go check out the Raptor Long Travel Kit just to give you guys a better idea of what exactly we're doing here. Definitely game changing on the suspension. So new lower arms, new upper arms, all uniball and hind pivots, except the lower arm there we got our new X joint, which is our fully sealed ball joints on the lower, so you won't have like a wandering vehicle going down the highway. We're plating in all the frames, so adding these plates here, which double shear the upper bolt. Air bump goes here, and those air bumps are massive. So that's the air bump right here compared to the actual shock. It's almost the same size. And so these are the Fox DSC reservoir coilovers. That's a 2.5 inch air bump, which is exactly what we do on the front of our trophy trucks. Same size. So that's going on our Tacoma. Another thing, if you guys are going to Overland West in September, this truck will be in our booth. You can check out the new kit. It's definitely gonna be a game-changing suspension system, because you can take the coilovers you already have, put on this long travel kit, add that air bump, you have a ton of bottom out control, and you're gonna have a great performing vehicle. So